What's up? So I didn't even get ready today. I was like, God, what are you trying to tell me? So I had a dream last night, right? And it's crazy because it I dreamt of the blue birds, right? And it was the blue birds off of Snow White. Like I was literally like in the movie of Snow White. I wasn't Snow White, but it's like I was there with her, right? So, you know me and my shit, I gotta investigate my dreams, you know what I'm saying? Because, so first of all, the thing that I remember, right, is the color blue. This color is royal and a heavenly color, right? It represent it represents God's spirit or word, right? It's telling you to trust your intuition and follow your heart. Continue to be a source of inspiration and positivity, even in the darkest of times, encouraging you to rise above any obstacles you may face. You are not alone. God, the angels, and the universe are guiding you, and reassurance of your journey is within you from them. So I kind of did my research on that, right? And it's crazy because, like,